I know I'm mad late into recording. It's already almost 7 a.m. We have news right here at 7 a.m. Bada bing, bada boom, which is this right here, PMI. So I'm expecting it to go down here just because I have bullish intent on the day. I mean bearish. I think just looking at weekly and daily might be bullish right now. No. Bearish. Yeah, everything's bearish right now for me. So I shall continue to think bearish. I'll honestly mark that as a sweep of the London session highs there. It's never over. Maybe see a reversal here. Man, that news didn't do anything, bro. Didn't do anything. So what I'm looking at here is we see a sweep of previous session highs here. Obviously, these are the previous session highs for Asian session, but these would be for the London session here. So price isn't just it's not just moving. It's just not moving fast. So I think we're gonna get a sweep of these. And my intent on the day, since the weekly is bearish right now, daily is bearish, almost everything is bearish. I'm gonna assume that we're gonna be bearish here and reverse this, and that could see where that takes us. We have a couple draws to the downside. Yeah, I marked it out on ES. Yeah, I should mark it out on Nasdaq though. Yeah, I think we'll get down to those right there. I don't really see us going further past that though, to be honest. Like down here is a bit of a stretch. This would be like the fun. Like that's the most I think that's possible in a day. But I really doubt it. Yeah, I don't see it coming down that far. I'll take that out there. Especially if see the daily. What would that look like? Yeah, possibly there. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can break structure on the 5 minute here, but price is moving really slow. Oh yes, it looks pretty good though. They're moving super similarly. No real like differences in movement. And then you saw this fair value got created here. Didn't really get up to it quite there. Now we're actually mitigating it, and I think we're gonna drop off here. You see that? Just need ES to close past this right here. Just break structure to the downside, you know? That's what I'm looking for. I don't know if we'll get that though. Price is just so slow. Oh, that would be it. Alright, yes, let's see. Yes, what do I want to see here? What do I want to see here? Okay, I think that's actually a pretty good point to sell here, and then just go down to regular lows here. I think that's pretty chill. Oh fuck, I fucked up, bro. Wait, let me get out of this. Let me get out of this. That's not what I want to do. That's not what I want to do. Yeah, wait, close that position. That was a horrible, horrible pre-fire. Oh my god, horrible pre-fire. What was I thinking? What was I thinking right there? That was a horrible pre-fire, bro. Only have I got a break of structure, no confirmation though. That was horrible. I don't know what I was thinking. I was getting that SMT and all that, but like, chill out. Yeah, that was wild. That was wild. I'm not gonna lie. I deserve to lose a couple bucks on that. I deserve to lose a couple bucks. I mean, we do have an SMT at the highs there, but still, man. Still, man, that's crazy. So if it plays out, it plays out, you know. It's looking pretty good. Just about to inverse this 5 minute. It's mitigating this fair value gap, which is what I wanted to see. And we'll see here if we can get a trade going here. Okay, this is looking better. Yeah, this is just not going to play out here. I can already tell because anytime I take a trade after 7:30 or like try to find a trade after 7:30, it just never works out. So like this right here, how it's going to be consolidating, we're just going to have to take that L um and let it ride. It might create a fair value gap here, but I doubt it, bro. Really? I mean, I don't doubt that it'll create a fair value gap. I think we're bound to. It's just not going to be in the time frame that I want it to happen. Just going to be a tad late, you know? But it's possible to still get shorts because I have a bearish bias on the day. I don't need a line to tell me I can see it. It's night and day, bro. Mm. I might just take this though, because I've seen it play out. I know it will, even though it's like gonna be a couple minutes past, but alright. Just keeping it a stack here. Oh, if we can get this fair value gap on ES, we can short this. Stops at the top of here. I mean, if it doesn't play, it doesn't play, but I mean, I think it will. I don't see why it wouldn't. You can probably even go all the way down here, to be honest. And we have an SMT at the highs. Come on, man. It's low-key too easy. This one's low-key out. I'm not even messing with Nasdaq. ES just has the better setup for me. Can't believe I pre-fired though. That's pretty crazy. Can't believe I pre-fired on that. That was nuts. Absolutely fucking nuts, man. I need to get like a trade copier. Because flipping back and forth is just not the move. It'll play though, it'll play. I don't know where I'll enter, but it'll be something like this, I promise. As long as it doesn't run down without me and take out this liquidity here, then we should be pretty chill. I could have just kept with that short. Look at would have been going, but I don't like doing that if it doesn't go with the confluence. You know, it's like it's not good psychology to just pre-fire like that, but holy fucking smokes, bro. Oh, dude, let's just keep it a stack here. Come on. Okay. Let me lock in here. Let me lock in here, bruh. It's gonna look something like that, I gotcha. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. And that's pretty saucy risk for me. I like that risk, to be honest. Let's not spend it all in one place. No, deadass. Let's not do that, bro. Alright, bro. I can fuck with that, bro. I can fuck with that, bro. It's a little bit stressful, like, trying to do two at one time. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that should be scary. Okay. I see this working out for us. It's pretty good. Is it the same spot on both of them? There's no way I place a trade like perfectly where they're both at the same spot. Okay, wait, so I'm down. Let's say 125 right there, and this one's 137. I wonder why it's two different numbers. No, I don't even know. Alright, solid. It's textbook trade there, textbook trade. Oh shit. Holy fuck, that was mad close, bro. Okay. If this drops completely, that's like the best stop fucking I've ever placed in my life. Bro, I don't even want to set this all day. I'm just gonna let it go, and then if it fucking stops me, it fucking stops me, bro. But I need to go to the gym, bro. I can't. Net P and L. Oh yeah, that was from the one I did earlier. I was like, what? I should have dot end already. I was about to check this guy. I was like, did it just like get closed out? Anyways, hopefully this shit don't get stopped out. Yikes. That's probably what I get for trading after 7:30, bro. When did I take that trade? Right at 7:30. I wonder if this shit would probably just drop down now. But that's typically a good stopping point, so I wouldn't be surprised if price just decides to go up now from here on out. But weekly is bearish today, so I wouldn't be surprised, you know. All right, solid.